Our next type, patriarchal families. Patriarchal families are families that are socially dominated by males. Males are the authority figure. Patriarchal families. Historically, since all cultures the world over are patriarchal, historically, families as institutions have also been patriarchal. That is certainly true for the United States. But then we've got matriarchal families, and with the advent of divorce, mostly divorce, do we now see more and more matriarchal families in the United States and other parts of the globe? Yes, most certainly. Matriarchal families, families in which the head of the household is a female. Divorce is one of the reasons for the increase in matriarchal families, but so is what? An answer we gave a few moments ago when we talked about the family of, not procreation, but the family of cohabitation. And if you're not legally married, then are you legally a family? Nope, you're not, except for the mother and her children. So, based on the law, it's a matriarchal family. She's the head of the household in this context. Right? Matriarchal families. We'll get to this conversation in just a few moments about deterioration and changing families, but are there a lot of people that still suggest that matriarchal families, not a good idea? We probably shouldn't have a lot of matriarchal families. It's an interesting dichotomy because on one hand, moms are better at nurturing their offspring. They're better nurturers, and to have a good, solid, strong family, you need nurturing. On the other hand, though, what do we suggest? They're probably not the ideal head of household. Matriarchal families, besides divorce, besides single parenting, besides cohabitation, that blending of traditional roles, while a family may not be either patriarchal or matriarchal, that blending of traditional gender roles, is that creating families in which if there is a man and a woman in the family unit, you're seeing them sharing responsibilities and thus sharing what is happening with their family emotionally, financially, socially, religiously, etc. Yes, and so there's a blending more of these roles and thus a blending of what is actually happening as it exists in behavioral patterns within the units, within the family units.